Welcome back to Hairstyle Trends for Women, your ultimate destination for the latest and most inspiring hair fashion from around the world. Whether you're looking to refresh your everyday look or planning something dramatic for a special event, we've got you covered with the trendiest hairstyles of the year. Let's dive into the hottest hairstyle trends for women that are taking over 2025. First up, the blunt bob. This sleek, edgy cut continues to dominate runways and red carpets alike. With its sharp edges and minimal styling effort, the blunt bob is perfect for women who want a bold, modern look without the fuss. This style works exceptionally well with straight or slightly wavy hair and brings out facial features beautifully. Next, curtain bangs. These soft, face-framing bangs have made a huge comeback, and they're not going anywhere. They work with almost every hair type, straight, wavy, or curly, and add instant softness and charm. Pair them with a layered haircut or long straight hair for a trendy, casual vibe. Coming in strong this year is the slicked back ponytail, a look that screams sophistication and power. This hairstyle is great for both professional settings and glamorous evenings out. It pulls the hair away from the face, emphasizing the cheekbones and jawline while maintaining a clean and polished appearance. Let's not forget beach waves, which continue to reign as the go-to casual style. They're relaxed, easy to achieve with a curling wand or even braids overnight, and they give off that effortless, sun-kissed look. Beach waves are universally flattering and perfect for everything from brunch dates to beach vacations. One trend that's turning heads is the shag cut. Originally popular in the 70s, this layered, choppy style has come back with a vengeance. The modern shag gives volume, movement, and an effortlessly cool vibe, especially when combined with curtain bangs or wispy layers. It works best with wavy or curly textures. If you're a fan of longer hair, long layers with feathered ends are a must-try. This look adds volume and bounce while maintaining the length. It's highly customizable. You can curl it, straighten it, or wear it naturally. Long layered hairstyles suit almost every face shape and hair texture. Another trend picking up momentum is the textured pixie cut. This bold, short haircut is not just chic, it's incredibly low maintenance and expressive. Perfect for women who want to stand out while embracing a minimalist routine. Add some soft waves or a bit of pomade to give it a tousled, trendy finish. For those looking for something romantic, braided crowns and halo braids are back in style. These intricate styles are not only beautiful but also practical. They keep your hair neatly in place while giving a fairy tale feel. Ideal for weddings, parties, or summer festivals. Half-up, half-down styles are also making a major return, especially with added twists, buns, or accessories like pearl pins and silk ribbons. They're versatile, easy to do, and give you the best of both worlds, structure and freedom. We also see a rise in the sleek low bun, perfect for formal events or office meetings. It's elegant, timeless, and easy to pair with bold earrings or dramatic makeup. And let's talk about hair accessories, because they're playing a bigger role in hair styling than ever before. Think oversized scrunchies, butterfly clips, crystal pins, and bold headbands. These little add-ons can completely transform a basic hairstyle into a fashion statement. Color trends are also evolving. In 2025, natural shades with dimensional highlights are trending. Think soft caramel balayage, chestnut browns, and even subtle lavender tones. These shades enhance your natural color while adding depth and personality. Let's begin with a classic that never goes out of fashion, the French twist. Elegant, timeless, and perfect for formal occasions, the French twist gives you that graceful, royal look. Whether you're going to a wedding, a dinner party, or a professional event, this updo is your best friend. At number 2, we have the butterfly layers. Inspired by the soft flutters of butterfly wings, this hairstyle uses deep, flowing layers to frame your face. It works best on medium to long hair and adds stunning movement and bounce. It's feminine, flirty, and totally in style right now. Number 3 on our list is the ultra-modern glass hair look. Think super straight, glossy, and sharp hair that reflects light like glass. Achieved with a flat iron and smoothing serum, this look is for those who love a polished and powerful image. Moving on to number 4, box braids. Not only are they protective and low maintenance, but they also come in various lengths and colors. Add beads or cuffs for a stylish twist. Box braids are culturally rich and fashion-forward. Fifth, we have the loose bohemian waves. Think soft, romantic curls that fall naturally over your shoulders. This look is ideal for both casual and semi-formal settings. Add a floral clip or headband, and you're instantly boho chic. Number 6 is perfect for busy mornings, the messy bun with a twist. Pull your hair into a loose bun and let a few strands fall free around the face. Add a twist or braid on one side for extra flair. Quick, stylish, and effortlessly cool. Coming in at number 7, we have Korean see-through bangs. Light, airy bangs that reveal your forehead just slightly. These bangs are delicate, cute, and give your face a youthful touch without feeling heavy. Number 8, fishtail braid. This intricate braid is ideal for long hair and gives an elegant, handcrafted feel to your look. It's ideal for festivals, picnics, or just when you want to feel a bit extra. On the opposite side of laid-back styles, there's the trend of high ponytails and ultra-sleek updos. Inspired by red carpet looks, these hairstyles are polished, powerful, and perfect for both formal and casual settings. Add a hair wrap or metallic accessory to elevate your ponytail game, or go for a clean bun with a strong middle part. Great for working women, events, or a fierce, everyday look. Braids never go out of style, but 2025 brings new life into them. We're seeing boho braids, fishtail braids, and half-braided ponytails take over Instagram and TikTok. Mix in hair cuffs, beads, or colored extensions for a personalized twist. These styles work great for medium to long hair and are perfect for festivals, vacations, or everyday glam. Bold colors and highlights. 7 to 8 o'clock. When it comes to color, 2025 is all about boldness and expression. Think chunky highlights, face framing streaks, and creative colors like peach copper, icy platinum, soft lavender, and even buttercream blonde. If you're not ready for full color, go for peekaboo highlights that show only when you move your hair. Color is the new accessory, and it's meant to express your vibe. For those who love short hair, 2025 is celebrating pixie cuts, but with a twist. Think textured, side-swept, undercut, or asymmetrical pixies that give major confidence. This year, it's all about pearl clips, chunky scrunchies, silk scarves, and even mini claw clips that are making a nostalgic return. So, whether you're into timeless classics or bold trends, 2025 has a hairstyle for every mood and personality. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Hairstyle Trends for Women, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on what's hot in the hair world. Stay stylish, stay confident, and remember, your hair is your crown. Wear it well.